So now we are going to talk about address, which is another data type in this Solidity, and it is very new to this programming language. So now, what are addresses there for? They are there for sending funds and mostly for account balances. So you can think of these two being the most important functions of an address. So let's declare a address. So this is the data type address, the visibility, and the name. Let's say my ad. Done. Now, just to see how is this working, let's create a simple function to put in the address and we'll get the balance out of it. So let's put this as function get balance, no parameters needed. Then the visibility public. Then view, I'll talk about this view in a later stage. For now, just go through it. Returns, basically for returning some values. The return type will be a uint, you can say, because obviously the balance will be returned as an integer value. So now in this we'll write it as return the identifier my ad, and then there are some very basic functions defined in Solidity which helps us with this data types and their functioning. So there is a function named as balance. So if you write this balance, so myAdd.balance, it will directly return you the balance of this address whichever is used for. So now let's try to deploy it. Deploy. So you can see there is my address and it is basically initialized with 0x and all zeros. Now we have already seen this. Okay, so now you have a get balance function which takes the balance. Now you can also put one more function which actually sets the address, basically initializes this address. You can actually do it by a special function known as constructor. Let's say my ad equal to, let's take any of the addresses out here. You can copy it from here, then we'll put it out here. Okay, just a second. Yeah, okay, you'll put it out here and let's get it deployed. Deploy. Now let's check my address. Okay, this corresponds to the second address, not this address, this address, the one we have copied. So now we have got this, and then get balance. So you can see this is 100 ethers we have. So basically it is in way. Way is like 10 power 18 times ether. So 1 ether is equal to 10 power 18 way. So after that, this might be having a total of 20 zeros. So this is 100 ethers. You can calculate it. It's very easy out there. So you got to know about this address. So now some key points is that in blockchain there is a ledger that is shared by all the participants, as you all know, and the information about balance owned by each account is stored in this ledger. So you have a total ledger and all the balances are basically stored. Now there is my add.balance, which is the address of this data type, like address, you can name it anything, and dot balance, which gives the balance in way. There is also a function known as transfer. So it will transfer money to the address you want. So now I'll tell you about it later, because the smart contract needs some money which it will take and put it in this account, the account we are telling. So let's keep that aside for some time being. Next, you have fixed point numbers, or the decimal numbers you can say. So you can basically put it as, just follow the syntax right out here. So this is the basically syntax for the fixed point numbers, and then public name. Actually, this is right now not implemented totally in the blockchain. This is just basically an improvement proposal which has been sent. So once it gets all set in the Solidity, we'll teach you this also.